this video, we're going to be covering how to install and set up the Salesforce Product Selector by Skyven. We'll start with how to install Product Selector. Open up the listing for the Product Selector and then click Get It Now. Choose to install in production or in sandbox. In this case, we'll choose production. Next, we review and agree on the terms and conditions, then confirm to install. At the login screen, just log in as a user. In this case, Jim Smith at Acme. This is the org that we're going to be installing the product selector into. Choose Install for all users, click Install. Installation may take a few minutes, and you'll get an email notification once it's complete. Now we just need to add the Add Edit Product button to the opportunity layout. This will require administrator access. If you don't have administrator access, just ask your Salesforce admin to complete the next steps. Let's go to Setup. Go to the cog at the top there, click Setup. Go over to the Object Manager and type Opportunity. Select Opportunity and then choose Page Layout. You may have multiple page layouts. Choose the layouts for the users that you want to have access to the Opportunity Product Selector. In this case, we're going to choose Opportunity Layout. And next, we select the Mobile and Lightning actions. You'll see a new Mobile and Lightning action called Add Edit Products. You can select it and drag it into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions area. Once it's there, save, and you're done. Now let's navigate to an opportunity. We'll open up this record. Now when we open Opportunity, you can see the new Add Ed button has been added to the layout. We can select this button. Product Selector has been added to the experience. With the Product Selector, you can edit details of the record. So in this case, I'm just going to switch it to the 30th. We can search for products, add those products, and edit the details. Notice that the totals are automatically recalculated. At this point, we can save, and we're done. We've successfully set up the Opportunity Product Selector, and we've just tested it on the layout. So many customers use the Product Selector out of the box. But let's say your sales team wants to search for products with a new field, or edit some additional fields. We can do that easily with the Product Selector. Let's just pop over to the app icon. From here, we search on Product Selector Setup. We click on it, and we're shown the Product Selector Setup screen. Here we could choose fields from the opportunity to view and edit. We could change the order of these fields by dragging them around. Or in the search area, we could choose new fields to search on. In this case, we're going to search on the product SKU. Once we've added the field to be available for searching, we can also rename it. So in this case, we're going to rename it to product SKU. It's available now for searching. So let's add the product SKU to the search results as well. Just like before, we can rename it here too. Note that the fields available in the search results do not have to match exactly the fields that are available for searching. Lastly, we can go to the product settings area. So in this case, they may have asked us to include line description to make that available for editing. And just like above, we can drag this around. So I'm going to make this available as the second column. We can choose whether it's just for display or editing purposes. And I'm going to update the label so it says line description. From here, we save and we're done. The next time your sales team edit by going to Add and Edit Products, they'll be presented with the brand new fields, both for searching and in the opportunity products. Click Save and you're done. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about the product selector. For any other questions, please reach out at info@skyven.com.